get these unloaded. One more load coming. Okay.
Let's get these sorted quickly. This one looks damaged. Check for soft spots.
It's rotten inside. Discard it.
Got it. Next one. This pile is clean now. The fibers are flowing smoothly through the vibrating conveyors. The industrial fans are clearing debris effectively. The fiber flow looks consistent. Good progress. Let's check this batch for consistency. The color is uniform. Let's check the thickness. Feels good. The fibers are strong. Agreed. This is ready for the looms.
Let's check the thickness on this fiber bundle.
Okay, I'm ready to record.
Closing the jaws now, reading 0.89 millimeters. Good. Next sample.
Check the alignment on this edge.
It's off by a few fibers, adjusting now.
Good. Keep the tension even.
Alignment is perfect now.
Excellent. On to the next one. Let's check this carpet's dimensions.
Okay, I'll hold this end.
Extending the tape now. Width reads 1.2 meters.
Good. Noted down.
Labels are ready. Starting the print run. Tag printed. Attaching to the carpet now. Next batch incoming. Maintaining the flow. Surface texture looks good here. Yes, the weave is consistent. Checking this edge for uniformity. Looks solid. Next one. Steam treatment relaxes the banana fibers and stabilizes the carpet structure. This process is key to producing high-quality, durable banana fiber carpets. Precision cutting tables shape banana fiber carpets into commercial sizes.
Aligning the carpet now.
The process ensures accuracy for distribution.
Trimming complete.
Let's check this batch. Look for loose weaves and discoloration.
Okay,
This edge feels uneven. Yes, a minor flaw. Mark it.
got it. The rest looks good.
Good. Let's finish the batch. Durability tests evaluate banana fiber carpets manufactured through the banana stem processing factory and carpet production process. Weight-bearing tests confirm structural integrity. Here, abrasion testing machines evaluate the durability of banana fiber carpets from our factory. The machines simulate wear, ensuring our sustainable carpets meet high-quality standards. Moisture sensors are used to measure the banana fiber carpets. This ensures consistent quality in the production process. The factory transforms banana stems into sustainable carpets. Ready to test the fiber strength.
All set? Let's begin.
Applying tension now.
It's holding strong.
Peak load 452 newtons per square meter.
Excellent. It passes.
This is the color consistency check for our banana fiber carpets. The beige and brown tones are uniform, matching the reference chart. This batch passes inspection with no color deviation. Roll compression tests analyze banana fiber carpets from the banana stem processing factory. The test compresses the material to evaluate its strength and suitability for industrial applications.
Scanning banana fiber carpet batch 068. Scan complete. Data logged to the tracking system.
Logging the shipment of banana fiber carpets from the factory. Entry confirmed. 20 rolls ready for dispatch. Inventory updated. Shipment complete.
These banana fiber carpets are ready for the export container. Copy that. Loading the next pallet now. Stack them tight. We need to maximize space for shipping. All set. Sealing the container. These banana fiber carpets from the processing factory are the final shipment. Excellent quality.
Agreed. The texture is uniform and the weave is tight.
Let's check the edges.
Looks perfect. We can confirm it's ready.